And this one doesn't have it. Some of them have a little half pica adjustment that you can make. These ones set to actual full pica measures.
I see.
Unlike the old ones where you would have had to have a measuring stick that you would put in and then you'd lock your composing stick to that
Yes.
size.
So just take the guesswork.
It doesn't take very long to memorize the typeface to do this.
I'll just
Once you do it, it lasts a lifetime.
There's
Yeah,
supposed to be
Right.
like a poem or a sentence that helps you memorize, like
Oh, really?
you go across. Yeah, one guy.
I'm sure there are, yeah, that tell you, you know, B,
Yeah.
C, D, E. And,
Yeah, like
you know,
be careful, don't eat
yeah.
whatever. But I can never.
Okay. Are you familiar with the layout of the California case?
I see.
No.
The California was a step from the old system where you had literally an uppercase and a lowercase. That's where our terms come from. What it did was it introduced the uppercase letters into the case with the lowercase. So this area is the uppercase, and it is basically alphabetical: A to G, H2O, H2O. That's good. Okay. P to W, X, Y, Z, and then if you had done the calculating as you were going along, you discover that I haven't got enough letters. J and U are down here the same as they were at the Ludlow machine. The numerals are here, 1 to 8, 9, 0. Punctuation marks is a comma, colon, semicolon, period, and hyphen. And then the letters and the lowercase side are arranged according to a very old tradition that the largest boxes are the most common letters, the letter E being the most common. So as you were saying, we've got B, C, D, E, I, S, F, G. Across here we've got L, M, N, H, O, Y, P, W, comma. And we've got V, U, T, some spacing, A and R, there's the punctuation again. And then we have, actually this would normally be larger than M quads, but we've got M quads, half an M is an N. These are the sort of medium size, the word spacing. And then up here you have very thin spacing. And then there are a couple of letters over here, Q, X, Z, exclamation marks, question mark, and the letter lowercase J. So that's the whole case in a nutshell. These spaces you can see are empty in this one, and there are a couple empty over here, a couple empty here. These are used for things like ligatures, brackets. This is the ampersand down here. This may be the dollar sign. Yes, that's the dollar sign. This would be double F, FI, FL, FFI. So there are spots for those different characters. And if you've seen plans, sometimes they have accented letters up in here, or they might have diphthongs or something.